Hello. Great work on these last designs. Everything is perfect. So what I'm saying is in addition to what I see already. So if I need to pay for it, that's perfectly fine. Just let me know. But what I want to do is with this image, with this shield, I want to move Life is the Game up here. I want to remove the stars. I want to put John, Jon, going down here. I want to put Jack going down there. That's my name. John, Jack, remove these lines. And I want to do two different looks. One look, I want to put the foot player. And on this, the businessman right here. So one that's Life is the Game. Ball player right here. Put right here. Put J going down this side. JC going down that side. Every designs that you sent me are perfect. Doing this to see how it looks. And also on this one, same way. N, J. On this one, you stars up. But I just want to see how that I left. So you'll definitely need to pay for these because they're an addition. Opposed to let me know. Go in, J. Player, basketball, move that up. Now, in addition, it might to remove just have the player. It must remove this all together and just have the you're able to see that as you're going. But see how that and if it let's rock with addition 2. If there's a way to appealing to the current setup of the brand itself. So if you have any questions to email me through here and communicate effective what else needs to be. Thank you and look forward to seeing this. But once again, any of these, I just want to see some new ones in addition that I might need in addition. Let me know, do the work, pay you for those. That's what's needed. Thank you.